Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how I make my raspberry and almond shortbread thumbprint cookies. These cookies are so easy to make and fun for the whole family to make together. So if you want to learn how to make these super simple and delicious raspberry and almond shortbread cookies, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put 1 cup of softened butter in a bowl along with 2/3 cup of sugar, and we're going to blend it until it's nice and creamy. Once it is nice and creamy, we're going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract, and we're going to blend again. Now that everything's nice and blended, we're going to add 2 cups of flour. And for the flour, we're going to mix it with a spatula until it forms a nice little, without making a mess, until you form the dough. Now that we've mixed our dough fairly well in the bowl, we're just going to knead it a little bit here on the surface with a little bit of flour. And this dough is, the consistency of this dough is very different from that of like tortillas or regular bread. It's a little more light, I guess. So we're going to continue kneading it. And once you feel like it's good, like it's nice and smooth, we're going to get little balls. And what we're going to do is we're going to press our thumb on them and fill it up with jam on an ungreased cookie sheet. So now here I have my cookie sheet with parchment paper. We're going to roll our little balls, and they should be about, I don't know, about 1.5 to 2 inches. And we're going to press them in like so. So you have that little hole in there. And we're going to continue to do this to as many cookies as we can make. And like I said, this is a really simple recipe. I mean, very minimal ingredients. And the kids are really going to love playing with it. Now that I have all my thumbprints done, and I'm making about 16, you can make them smaller and you can definitely make more. I'm going to fill the center right up with this jam. Now they're ready to be put into the oven for about 14 to 18 minutes at 350 degrees. While the cookies are baking, we're going to work on the glaze that we're going to drizzle on top of our cookies. And we're going to start off with about 1/2 cup of confectioner sugar. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of milk, and I'm using almond milk, but you can use any milk of your choice. And then we're going to do about 3/4 teaspoon of almond extract. Now we're going to mix it. And now I want it to be a little watery, not too thick. So I find this to be a little thick, so I'm going to add just a little more milk, about half a teaspoon of milk. And it's getting right to the consistency that I want. So, see, this is what you want to see. Now here are our delicious shortbread almond cookies. They're still warm, so I'm just going to go ahead and drizzle some of this delicious glaze right on top. And there you have it. Here is a close-up of our cookies. They smell amazing. They smell like the Knott's Berry Farm cookies. So good. And there you have it. These delicious almond shortbread cookies filled with the triple berry jam. So delicious. They smell so buttery, and I swear, they remind me of the Knott's Berry Farm cookies. They're so good. I hope you guys give these a try. And if you do, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.